Hey everyone, excited to be back for this week's edition of Frequently Asked Questions for Commercial Real Estate. In today's video, what I want to do is talk about a technology that has taken the world by storm. It's called ChatGPT. It's an AI platform offered by a company called OpenAI. It's going to be revolutionary as far as what you're going to be able to do with it. And in today's video, what I want to do is share 3 things that you can utilize ChatGPT for within your commercial real estate business to help enhance your offerings to the marketplace. Now, before we dive into this video, I would greatly appreciate if you can like and subscribe to this channel. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm and ensures more and more people can hear this message and learn about the many facets of commercial real estate. So now you've done that, go ahead and like and subscribe below. Let's go ahead and dive into this episode. All right, so I've had the opportunity to play around with ChatGPT for a little while now. I believe it went live the end of last year, and ever since then, people have been utilizing it pretty regularly to come up with a lot of really cool things. As far as the things that I would recommend you guys do as far as your commercial real estate business is concerned, there are 3 things that I would say this could be very, very helpful for you. First and foremost, content creation, especially on the blog side, has been something that I have utilized it for. So back when it went live, I started playing around with the platform and realized that I can literally ask ChatGPT something like, what is NOI, for example, and it would write an explanation of exactly what NOI is. Obviously, it's not 100% perfect all the time, so you have to go through and edit and make sure it flows really well. But from a content creation standpoint, it's been absolutely phenomenal. So what I've done is gone to ChatGPT, typed in a bunch of different questions that ChatGPT answered. I edited it and make sure it flowed really well, and those became my blog posts. So now I've queued up a ton of blog posts for the next almost year. So I have almost 150 to 200 blog posts that have been queued up as a result of me utilizing ChatGPT and then putting it on my website as far as getting queued and sent out on a Monday, Wednesday, Friday cadence. So from an SEO standpoint, over time, it will help improve our search rankings. Therefore, if people start searching for commercial real estate agents here in Louisville, Kentucky, I will be one of the first ones that pop up. And that's because I've been able to put in a significant amount of blog posts as a result of utilizing ChatGPT on a regular basis. So that's number 1, is content creation from the blog post side. Number 2 is listing descriptions. Now, sometimes it's kind of difficult to describe a property in a very positive light, and so for those instances, you can prompt ChatGPT to write you a listing description by you putting in all the characteristics of the property and allowing it to write it for you. Granted, as I said before, you're going to have to go through and edit it and make sure it looks good, but you'd be surprised what the output looks like by you just putting in the basic components of the property and then allowing it to write a description for you when it comes to your listings. And so maybe worth looking into if you are going to be listing property to see if it actually comes up with something that could be utilized by you in your business. So that's number 2, is listing descriptions. And then finally, number 3, kind of back on the content generation side, it gives you ideas about different content to create. So, I would encourage you to go to ChatGPT and say something along the lines of, top 10 or top 20 or top 30 things or trending topics within commercial real estate. And it'll pop up and give you a bunch of different, ideas that you could potentially utilize to create videos like this, or maybe, interview someone who is an expert in this particular topic, or, even writing blog posts that you could then have ChatGPT generate for you. So all these different things you can utilize to be able to make sure that your content generation game is on point, and ChatGPT can be a phenomenal tool for you to be able to maximize what you can do on that front as well. So hopefully you gain some value from this video. I do think ChatGPT will have a lot more things that you can potentially utilize to be able to amplify the value you provide your clients in your commercial real estate business. If you yourself are in the Louisville metro area and you're looking to buy commercial property, I'm a commercial real estate agent in town. I'd be happy to help you with your search and leverage all these different technologies that I personally utilize to help make sure that the process is seamless for you. If you do feel that that's the way you want to go, you can reach out to me. My number is 502-536-7315, or you can reach me via email at raphael@crosantigroup.com. Along with that, if you like these videos, please like and subscribe. It makes a huge impact in our ability to reach a broader audience, and we would greatly appreciate the support. So thanks again so much for tuning in, and we'll see you all next time.